The repair cost builder is included with the inspection software. How do you get to it? You go to your dashboard, go to completed reports, because the report has to be completed. You click the RCB tab, and there it is. And this is fully customizable. So you and your agent can figure out, 28,000, can figure out what you want to negotiate on. You can ask for a repair to be, you can request a repair to be made, or you can ask for a credit. And then you choose, I want this one to be your credit. I want this one to be a repair. Make sure you put your photos in all of your defect comments. And then you can download the repair cost builder report or share it with your client or your client's agent, and they can get their own report online, and then they can do their own editing. They don't have to ask for everything. So maybe this one isn't, and this one isn't, and this one isn't, but this one is. We need the downspouts to be repaired, or maybe just a credit. And it all adjusts over here. So it's fully customizable through your dashboard, and it's shareable. And when you share it with your agent or your client, they can adjust it and then download the PDF and then ask for repairs to be fixed or a credit. And it's the repair cost builder, and all the reports are included at no additional cost through the InterNACHI inspection software. You asked for it and you got it.